Hello guys, I hope you're doing very well. In this video we will explain dollar index, Euro USD, GBP USD, and also we will cover Euro GBP. So both of these pairs have inverse correlation with each other, and we have a good chance to predict this where we can go next in this week. So let's go first dollar index in the weekly time frame. You can see from November 2020 we were going down. We are the downtrend from March to 2020, but what's relevant now is this one and this downtrend here. So we have from 94 we went down to the 89 for some pips, and from this level the dollar index gained strength and went up, managed to go up to 93,500. From this level it didn't have much more force to go higher. It went down. This evening star, this bearish candle again, and with all these informations we can have a clear image what is happening now and what can happen next. By saying that, we have to go in daily time frame and let's see what we have. From this downtrend from 93,500 we have some attempts to go higher, but we failed. Now what's relevant now is this area here. We have this first try to go up, second, third. We closed as a wicks high up, and next daily candle is a bearish engulfing. So by seeing these confirmations, we know that we have a potential to go to the downside. We ain't in a neutral area like we don't know here with this candle or this candle, what can happen. This Friday candle closes bearish engulfing. It tells us that we have a potential area to go further to the downside. When we look what we have down here, we have 90, which is a significant weekly support, and also we have this first point, we have second point of trend line, and you know guys, in the third touch most of the time the pairs goes higher. So if we look what we have here, we have this resistance and this supports area, support, resistance, support, resistance. So from this area here we have to be careful and we have to be vigilant to see what the market will do from this area. If we have break from this area, it doesn't mean that it will go straight down, because you see it can be a trap. We might have a trap. We come down to 90, we just retest it, and we can go to the upside. So we can have rejection here, or we can have a trap from this area down to 90, and I believe we might have a trap. People see trend line break, straight buy. We have to wait what happens here. If we have good rejection, okay, we can take shorts on Euro USD. But if not, we can have a little push to the downside to 90 before it can go up. My first take profit, from this level, if you have longs, shorts on Euro USD, first take profit, it is like 90.900. Okay, we go after that. So this for dollar index, wait for this to happen. Third touch of trend line, we can have a straight upside. If not, we have to wait to 90. What excuse me. If we go to Euro USD, it is clear now. Let's go to the weekly. Here we had couple of weeks downtrend. Here we have couple of weeks uptrend. So it have inverse correlation. Here, no, I don't want to close. Here we have trend line, Here we have the opposite trend line, so inverse correlation. Also here in daily time frame we have this resistance. We are close in this recent eagle tool. Here we have first point, second point, third point. If we have rejections from this level, we can take shorts on Euro USD down to from 121 200 to 1.20. If we go lower time frames, also we have this recent eagle tool here, and you can see third touch of trend line might happen here at this box from this area. Shorts, it means if we have shorts from there, dollar index will retrace from somewhere here. Let's go to the GBP USD. Let's go in the weekly time frame. 1.30 and 1.40, excuse me, and 1.37 500 are close or significant areas for this pair. You can see we have an uptrend up move to 1.42, close to 500. Then we have this downtrend momentum to 136 700. Basically 700 pips to the from here to here. Now what we've done, retest these highs, these lows here. From this area, 1.40 is the next one. If we add Fibonacci from A to B, we are retesting close to 0.61. Let's go on the daily. Here we have this bullish candle of the Monday. After that, followed by a bearish candlestick. Then Doji, shooting star. Doji, bearish engulfing. Now we have an inside bar, and it is very important to see this daily candlestick how it will be closed. We have to see how this daily candlestick will close. If we go higher, we have to wait what will happen to 1.40. If not, if we close like this one, we know that the bearish momentum we can go lower. We wait for retest, then we can take somewhere here shorts down to 1.37 If you go to the 4-hour time frame, let me remove this tool. We can go from A to B, so we have to connect all these areas, guys, not just one week or day. We have to dig down like 4 hour or even 1 hour. We have A, we have B, we have C retracement here, and what we have in the left is like this trend line. First point, we have second point. If we manage from this area, if we close down, it means we respect this trend line. If not, we have to wait what happens at this highlighted area. If we have rejections from here, we have A, B, we have C retracement here. If we have rejection from this area, we can take shorts as this area here. Take profit can be 1.37 500, or first take profit like 38 at, for example, let's take again Fibonacci tool. From here we take somewhere here, okay, like 50 pips. It is a swing trade. Remove this, or not, don't remove. Let's see potential. It is like 200 pips move. Risk reward is 1.3 and it is a good risk reward ratio, and I believe based on what I've seen in the markets, this can happen in next week. I mean this week or in next week, we have a good potential to go to 137 500, which is a significant support area in the weekly time frame. But keep in mind, guys, we are in a pandemic situation. We have a lot of economic data for vaccines and stuff like this. So everything can happen in the market. You have to watch your trades, closely, closely, excuse me. So guys, that's all for this video. I will start to post in weekly basis this video to help each other to gain much more money and to gain much more pips from the market. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.